Kumshi binta jong ka jingtmu jong ka swachta hi seva la penlong ya ka jingyat Paidbah da ka sandur enviro Jingpynsngewthuh Halor ka Jingpyndonkam ya ki plastik bala Pyndonkam Tang Shisien ki bala ban pinjaklia ya ki wa bat ka Pyndonkam ban bread ya ki jabo jaban haki jaka badai ki samla ke NCC bat NSS na ki college baper jong ka nong ba Shillong kelai shim menta hakani ka jingyat Paidbah lasdang ya kane na State Central Library bat pinkut ha ka NCC headquarters. Yakane ka rally la play da PCCF u RS Gil. U chairman jong ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board u R Naina Malay ulaong balakhang ban Pyndonkam yaki plastik ba Pyndonkam Tang Shisien Pyndonkam na marka kta yaka Mariang. Kadba ha Meghalaya la thau yaka district level special task force kaban pet yaka Jingpyndonkam yaki plastik ba Pyndonkam Tang Shisien Pyndonkam.
In the chaos of life, we often overlook and forget the great blessings which are right next to us. If you look at the trees growing here and the clear blue sky above your head, it may not ring any bell or look anything inconspicuous. Because trees have to be there, the sky has been there for millions of years. The point is, such clear sky and such wonderful trees are not available to people all over the world. People are living in various chaotic conditions, mainly in the urban settings. There are places where the water is polluted. There are places where the air is compromised. And everywhere, the biggest hope for the people is to have a simple, healthy living.
Henin gasngi ka spark kala penlong ya ka